Hi everyone, this is my new video regarding Mokshpat. What is Mokshpat? See, this is a kind of board. Okay, so this is what Mokshpat board is, and here is something inside of this. What's this? Let me check. Yeah, dice, and this is something Kaudi. So what do you think, guys? What we are going to do with this? Any idea? Snakes and ladders? Are we going to play snakes and ladders? Anything like that? No. So these are boxes, which are about 72 boxes. Each box is having some meaning, and all the meanings it comes from Veds and Puran. Now, each snake depicts something negative which happened as a karmic pattern and you reached to the lower level. And there are some good deeds which you done, because of which you got the stairs and you reached to the higher consciousness. Okay? Now what to do with this? Are we going to play snakes and ladders? We know this as snakes and ladders these days, isn't it? What happened with this one dice and with this only one kaudi? We are able to predict whatever you are looking for. Let me give you some history about this. This Mokshpat board is having only one dice and kaudi, this much we know. I'll keep this aside. So this board is basically originated in 13th century by Sant Gyaneshwar, and Lord Ganpati is this board Swami, and each and every box whose meanings we are saying like taken from Ved and Puran. So it actually gives an insight of your soul, where your soul reached, and with this we can predict anything. Now what happened in the earlier days when Britishers came to India, they simply snatched this board, created it as snakes and ladders game. They remove all the meanings of the boxes because they are not at all aware about such things, which we know as our ancient scriptures. They don't know anything about karma or karmic patterns. Even they do not belong to such category because they are not at all having any idea about this. So simply they removed the meanings and bring snakes and ladders as a game to play. And we are playing it as game just for an entertainment purpose. But our ancients knows this very well. And from this they can even give predictions of yes, no, your soul journey, your karmic patterns, or how will be your health condition, whether you have to choose this job or that business, anything and everything you can ask this board. I hope this much information is sufficient for today. Let's see what Mokshpat board is showing to us, to all of us. Thank you so very much. Bye bye. Take care.